How to draw the heart eye emoji. To begin making our heart eye emoji, we're going to make a big circle in the middle of the page. We used a lid to make sure that we had a perfect circle for the face. You can use one too, or you can just draw a circle free-handed. Next, we're going to make two heart shapes for the eyes. One will be right here, and one will be right here. For the last step, we're going to make the mouth right here. We're going to draw a straight horizontal line, and then we're going to draw a curved line that connects one side to the other. This is how to draw the heart eye emoji. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color it in with us.